Hey Fearless Mamas, welcome to day 5 of the Rewire Your Mind About Birth Challenge. You've been rewiring beliefs and rehearsing new responses, and today we anchor it all in trust. One final belief of this 5-day challenge, which the full 21 days is accessed in my Rewired Mama bundle. But today's belief that can quietly run in the background is that I won't know what to do. It's actually the fear of uncertainty, of not having the answers in that moment. But labor doesn't rise from your thinking mind. It rises from the ancient knowing in your body. Your primal instincts and your birth blueprint already know what you need. When you root into gratitude, your subconscious shifts from fear to receptivity. Gratitude tells your whole system, I am safe, I am present, I trust. And that trust becomes your compass. With that being said, let's begin. There's a part of me that believes I won't know what to do during labor, that I'll be lost or confused or frozen. I'm just noticing this today. I don't need to shame it, but I can meet it with truth. Let's breathe together. Inhale, I breathe in intuition. Exhale, I breathe out uncertainty. Again, inhale, breathe in intuition. Exhale, I breathe out uncertainty. Let your breath slow. Let your inner rhythm lead. Keep breathing. Inhale, intuition. And exhale, uncertainty. Just allowing your thoughts to settle. Close your eyes and visualize your womb glowing with wisdom. It knows what to do, just as it knew how to grow this baby. You don't need to remember things. You only need to listen to your body. Say softly, I am guided from within. Nothing needs to be remembered. I trust that I will know what to do. Moving and breathing in my natural birthing instincts. Just let that sink in like soft light filling your center. Now imagine a contraction building, and you sway, and you vocalize, and you rock, and you rest. You aren't thinking at all. You're knowing just what your body needs in that moment. To move baby down, not forcing anything, but allowing your body enough time to stretch and progress. Your baby moving down in a full spiral. Say out loud, my baby is showing me what to do. I respond in rhythm and with intuition. The next step, I will always rise up when I need it. Remember, you are not alone. You are partnered with women birthing all around the world. Touch your belly and whisper, thank you for guiding me through feeling, not thinking. Thank you, baby, for partnering with me. Thank you, body, for remembering. Thank you for this full experience of trusting the divine process of birth. Just let your face soften. Let the moment open. The affirmation I want you to carry is, my body and my baby are guiding me. If this practice shifted something in you today, imagine the transformation of the full 21 days accessed in my Rewired Mama bundle. In it, you will receive the Rewired Mama ebook. This is Sacred Meets Science Guide to how your birth beliefs were formed and how to reprogram them so your subconscious can start creating in alignment with your dream birth. You'll also receive an immersive 20-minute 4-step guided meditation to install new patterns anytime you choose. My personal favorite, in the morning when you wake up and before you go to bed. You'll also receive my Peaceful Birth Film, a raw and real experience that anchors in peace just by the power of witnessing it. And of course, the complete 21-day Rewire Your Mind About Birth Challenge. Continuing from day 6 to 21, each one replacing fear-based patterns with trust, peace, and confidence. You've already begun the rewiring process. Let's finish together.